Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2016 for 1 mark in set 1. Basically, this question is based on finding critical radius of insulation for a cylinder. And my dear students, this is one of the topic of conduction. So let us understand the question. The question is a plastic sleeve of outer radius RO 1 mm. Now here they have given plastic sleeve, and my dear students, plastic is an insulating material. Therefore here insulating material is given plastic, right? And the outer radius of insulation is 1 mm. So let us write here outer radius of insulation is equal to 1 mm. Then covers a wire radius 0.5 mm. Now here this plastic sleeve is used to cover the wire of radius 0.5 mm, means the inside radius of this plastic sleeve must be equal to 0.5 mm. Therefore here inside radius of plastic sleeve is 0.5 mm. Now again covers a wire carrying electric current. The thermal conductivity of plastic is 0.12 watt per meter Kelvin. Now my dear students, here thermal conductivity of plastic is given, and plastic is an insulating material. Therefore here thermal conductivity of insulation is given, which is nothing but 0.12 watt per meter Kelvin, right? After that, the heat transfer coefficient on the outer surface of the sleeve exposed to the air is 25 watt per meter square Kelvin. Now my dear students, here heat transfer coefficient between outer sleeve and the outside ambient or air is given, means the sleeve is nothing but the plastic sleeve is nothing but insulating material. Therefore here the heat transfer coefficient between the sleeve and the outside air, means it is between the insulation and the air or outside insulating medium, it is given, which is in watt per meter square Kelvin, means this value is a H, right? H which is in contact with insulation, that is convective heat transfer coefficient is given 25 watt per meter square Kelvin. Then due to the addition of plastic cover, the heat transfer from the wire to the ambient will. Now here what I am doing, again I am adding plastic cover, right? Here again I am increasing the radius, outside radius of plastic sleeve. Then what will happen to the heat transfer? Now my dear students, here to compare the heat transfer rate, we are calculating critical radius of insulation. And my dear students, the critical radius of insulation for the cylinder is nothing but, we have derived this formula, which is nothing but thermal conductivity of insulation divided by H with insulation, convective heat transfer coefficient with insulation, right? This is the formula. Therefore here critical radius of insulation will be equal to the heat transfer here thermal conductivity of insulation is 0.12 divided by heat transfer coefficient is 25. So if I solve this equation, I will get the answer as 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. And what will be the unit? See, H we are using in watt per meter square Kelvin and K in watt per meter Kelvin, means meter is used. Therefore here unit will be in meter. So my dear students, here critical radius of insulation will be equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. And if I convert into mm, then I have to multiply this meter into 10 to the power 3. Therefore 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 will become 4.8 mm. See, this conversion is very simple. You can do school level conversion. Now we got here critical radius of insulation as 4.8 mm and the outer radius RO is given 1 mm. So let us compare them. Outer radius RO is equal to 1 mm. Therefore definitely here outer radius of insulation is initially less than critical radius of insulation. So already we have seen what is the significance of critical radius of insulation. If I draw heat transfer versus outer radius of insulation graph, at critical radius, whenever outer radius of insulation becomes equal to critical radius, means RC, the heat transfer will become maximum. This is the condition of maximum heat transfer, Q maximum, that already we have studied in theory lectures. So initially whenever this RO is less than RC, let us say somewhere here, the point is somewhere here, RO less than RC, means outer radius of insulation is less than critical radius of insulation. Initially the heat transfer rate goes on increasing. Initially heat transfer rate goes on increasing up to RC. Here heat transfer is increasing up to RC, and as soon as this outer radius of insulation becomes more than RC, let us say this point where outer radius is more than RC, then after RC the heat transfer rate goes on decreasing continuously. Means here the condition is given Ro less than Rc. Therefore, as I go on adding insulation, the heat transfer is going to increase. Therefore, my dear students, for this question, you can say the option will be option A. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic.